Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the map template on Padlet to introduce yourselves. So in this video, we'll discuss step by step on how to navigate and utilize these features effectively. First step is assessing the map template. First things first, make sure you have the link to the Padlet map template. Once you have it, open it in your web browser and you should see something like this. Then to add to introduction, here you will find the plus button. Click on this plus button and you will find that pick a location. Add your location like this. For example, I am adding here Fatehabad, Haryana, and I choose this. Here you can add your name, location, brief introduction about yourself. Feel free to be creative. Once you are done with your introduction, you can click on Publish button. After publishing, you will find this type of screen. Here is your pin. After typing your introduction, to navigate around the map, simply click and drag. You can zoom in and zoom out using the scroll wheel on your mouse or by pinching on a touchscreen device. Now let's see what others have posted. Click on any pin to view the introduction attached to it. You can read about your fellow participants and get to know them better. If you would like to interact with someone's introduction, you can leave a comment by clicking on the comment icon. This is a great way to start conversations and connect with others in the MOOC. And there you have it. You are now ready to use the map template on Padlet to introduce yourself and connect with others in the MOOC. Feel free to explore further and engage with the community. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.